Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2018 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive. Stock number Z9318XX. 13,000 miles on this Equinox comes to us with a clean auto check history report, silver ice metallic in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper, along with 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers, advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, backup camera, along with rear parking sensors, and Power Liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear, 60/40 split seat, folds flat easily with a pull of a handle, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, adjustable power liftgate control, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. It's Android Auto capable, as well as Apple CarPlay. As of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. All-wheel drive lock. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. And lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with all. And HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener overhead. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 170 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 24 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 60% tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.